Global Architecture Brigade is an organization on campus here that was founded 4 years ago, and we travel annually to Central America to help build structures for people in need. So last March, we traveled down to Nicaragua to help build a home for a family that desperately needed a better place to live. When we first saw the house, I was expecting it to be, not the best living conditions, but I was really blown away by just the level of poverty in which they live. The floors are dirt, the walls are mud, and the roof was like a rusted corrugated steel. And it was just really eye-opening to see that these people live in these kind of conditions. So we provided them with concrete floors and concrete walls to make it cleaner and just make it a better place for them to live.
I think sometimes in the United States we take things like electricity for granted, but in Nicaragua that's something that's a little more expensive and hard to come by. So everything is usually done by hand, whether it's mixing the concrete that goes into pouring the foundations, or it's sawing the planks that will go up for the roof trusses, or even things as simple as finding a rock when you're digging a trench and you end up having to smash through it.
We did pretty much everything with the house. We dug trenches for the foundation. We put these H-extrusion beams up, and the walls are kind of neat because it's all kind of prefab. You put these concrete beams in the ground, and then you slide these giant concrete panels in between them. It's very gratifying to see the walls kind of go up because you're stacking these things on top of each other, and you quickly start to see the structure emerge from nothing.
One of the biggest hitters for me was realizing just how much it meant to the family for us to have come down and helped them build this house, because Doña Fatima, the woman that we were building the house for, she prepared us a fresh pig and chicken for lunch, and that's a really big deal for them because that's their livelihood, that's their livestock. I joined Global Architecture Brigades because I thought it would be a good opportunity to apply what I was learning in school. While I'm not an architect or a civil engineer, I get to apply the idea of human-centered design around a lot of the design projects that we work on. I learned that going down to Central America to help build a home for somebody doesn't require any complex equations or any high-level thinking. It just really requires the desire and the will to help somebody out.